Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. In this tutorial we are going to cover the possibility to create a PCAP leveraging a Cybervision sensor. Cisco Cybervision leverages a unique two-tier architecture consisting of edge sensors and a central platform, called the center. In a typical scenario, many sensors will analyze network traffic passively and send the results of the analysis to the center. The center will process the inbound data, augment it further and provide access to the user and for integration into other platforms. In a pilot phase, during testing or in a proof of concept, you might need to record network traffic as it arrives at a specific sensor interface and provide it to a center for further analysis. The de facto standard to do that involves creating a so-called PCAP recording. PCAP is short for package capturing. There are two options to do that. You can create and download a capture on the user interface. Or you can log in to the device hosting your sensor and leverage the command line to do the same. The following part of the tutorial presumes that you are using the Cybervision Sensor Management extension. If you don't yet know about the Sensor Management extension, I recommend watching the corresponding tutorial video. Start by logging into your center and select Admin from the main menu. Select Sensor followed by Sensor Explorer from the context menu. Select the sensor you want to leverage for the recording from the list. Please make sure that the sensor's operational status is connected. The drawer provides you additional information about the sensor. Note the option to instruct the sensor from this UI to start a PCAP recording. Click on Start Recording. The status changes and indicates an ongoing recording activity. Please consider that the recording will allocate space on the device hosting the sensor. Click on Stop Recording after enough traffic was recorded to suit your needs. After stopping the recording, you will be provided with the opportunity to download the PCAP for further external processing. As an alternative to do this using the user interface, you can do the recording via command line as well. To do so, connect to your device hosting the sensor using which you want to record traffic. In this example, we are connecting to an IE 3400 via Secure Shell. Send the enable command and authenticate your request. List the installed application, locate your sensor and confirm its operational status to be running. Connect to the running instance of your sensor. Check the settings of the interface using which you would like to capture the traffic. Start capturing the traffic using TCP dump. Make sure you point the destination setting to the IP data directory of the sensor. You can end the recording at any point in time by sending Ctrl+C. TCP dump will show you a statistic on the received, captured and dropped network packages. You can now access the capture at its destination and leverage it for further processing and analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial about capturing a PCAP file on the Cybervision sensor.